Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by parking on level ground with the ignition off. This prevents accidental movement. Next, lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it holds. This gives access and prevents scratching. Inspect the blade where it meets the arm and find the small plastic release tab. Press it to unlock the blade. Do this with controlled force because the tab clicks when released. Once it pops free, slide the blade down toward the arm hinge to disengage the hook. Now remove the old blade by sliding it straight down off the hook while keeping the arm pulled up. You want to preserve the adapter orientation so the new blade seats correctly. Take the replacement and align its adapter with the arm hook. Matching tabs and a direction you noted earlier ensures proper fit. Push the new blade up into the hook until you feel or hear a distinct click. That click confirms the locking pawl engaged. Make sure the rubber edge sits parallel to the windshield. Finish by lowering the arm slowly back to the glass so the blade rests evenly. Once done, start the engine and test the wipers at low speed. Observe for streaks, skipping, or chatter because those signs mean seating or compatibility problems. If you see issues, lift the arm, recheck the adapter orientation, and reseat the blade until it clicks solidly. If problems persist, verify you purchased the correct Ford F-150 size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.